just wanna go out on a walk with you. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. You don't have to tell me anything that's new. I just wanna go out on a walk with you. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine, sailing over pavement with our two outlines. I like to see the shape you're in from time to time. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine. I just wanna see the same things you can see, understand the meaning on a new degree. Maybe that could happen when you're next to me. I just wanna see the same things you can see. Could be 20 minutes or an hour or two. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. I just wanna go out on a walk with you. Baby, you know I just like to talk.
simple 2 colours with, yes, I used the black swipe. The black was Montmartre paint mixed with Australian Floetrol, so didn't have to use any Amsterdam. And just look at these cells with the finger kisses. So you can get these really unique effects. And that was the Helmar silicone just down the centre. It really normally kind of makes different sort of crazy cells, but it didn't really do too much there. So, but you know, you have to experiment. But super happy with that. Super simplistic. Super effective. Hope you enjoyed that. And just like to, a little reminder, if you're feeling sad, lonely or depressed, please ring a family member or a friend. Do not suffer in silence. Until tomorrow, bye for now, my love.
Because I never knew quite where I was, and suddenly you told me, baby, you're lost, but I am too. Whatever the cost, we'll make it through. Tell me you're the one for me now, 'cause what am I supposed to do? If you are not the one for me, then tell me now what I could do. If I told you that I don't know where I'm going, don't know what to say,